where I want is the attack helicopter. I don't know if I'm seeing him. Oh, hello. Excuse me. Hello, everybody. It's me again, your man, the man here. Look, it's getting mad again. Whoa-hoy. Look what I have in here. Anyway, I'm here today. I'm going to do a quick taste test on Dairy Milk Buttons. Mint. As some of you may know, or may not, I might even care, I love mint. As simple as that. It's probably one of my favourite tastes in the whole wide world. Mint. I love the smell, I love everything about it. And the taste as well. Anyway, I'm going to try these buttons, okay? Oh, this is kind of an exclusive. Yeah, you can only get these in Tesco's at the moment for whatever reason. Okay? So Tesco, if you're listening, Cadbury's if you're listening, joint buttons, okay? I'm not looking for a sponsorship, I'm looking for free joint buttons, that's all. Okay? Right, I'm going to open them now. I tried the orange ones recently as well. I don't think I've done a taste test on them though. They were nice, they were orangey, unlike the orangey twirls where just if you taste orange, not enough orange. Anyway, smell test first, open it. There, open it. Okay, quick smell. They're minty, like mint chocolate, the way they used to be. Okay. Now what I usually do with these mint, well not even the mint, even just the buttons, I usually go blah, 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 blah. Not them we got, but they're going to be like professional about it. Yes, they're roundish, not exactly good, you know, joint buttons. I'm not sure now, was the meow thing, when these came out years ago, were they a bit bigger? These, I'd say these are more medium buttons than joint. You know, if I was a joint and I got these, I'd be like 3, 5, 4 for them, they're not very big, are they really, you know? What's it looking really? Anyway, right, I'm going to give them a taste now, okay? Yes, I do like them. They're minty with a subtle taste of chocolate, or chocolate with a subtle taste of mint. They remind you of younger days, carefree during the summer, frolicking with your best girl by your side in the meadow, going fa la 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 la. Or just remind you of a mint made. Oh, look at that one! Whoa! Like little glasses you used to go to the opera with. La la la. Look at that. I'm not even going to eat that one. I'm going to leave that there forever. For people to find it in the thousands of years to come, they'll be like, oh my goodness, these were more advanced than we thought. Look at me mad eyebrows. The amount of the mad eyebrows. Anyway, yeah, I like them. It's 110 grams. Like, I'm not supposed to eat them because I'm actually diabetic. But the chances are they'll be gone before the football later on. Arsenal playing Brighton, so come on the Arsenal. We're on a bit of a tear at the moment. A bit of a run. 3 wins out of 3 games. We had 3 losses as well. I'm positive on the positive, okay? Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, no, I really enjoyed them. I'd like them again. I'd eat them again, and I'll be eating that packet later on, or maybe even before later on. Whichever comes first. Okay, thanks for watching. Can I just ask everybody out there, just be a bit nice to teachers, will you? It's like, you know, there's bullying going on at the moment around in the school, local school here. Young child killed themselves. Like, no, I'm not getting into it, but just be kind to each other, okay? Bullying's not kill. It's fucking. If you're a bully, you're a fucking idiot, okay? You're a fucking coward. That's all you're bleeding there. You're nothing but a fucking coward, because you won't do it on your own. You always do it with fucking friends around, okay? Sorry. I've gone on a little rant there, a little sugar rush. Just be kind to each other, okay? Alright, thank you. Talk to you all soon, okay? Thanks. Well, all talk to you, alright. Alright, thank you all. Bye-bye.